Have you ever wondered why something as simple as salt could hold a profound spiritual power? Most of us think of salt as a kitchen staple, but what if it could be a key to unlocking spiritual protection and transformation? For centuries, people have used salt not just to flavor their food, but to cleanse their energy and shield themselves from negativity. But does this have a basis in Buddhism? Could salt be a hidden spiritual weapon in your own life? In this video, we'll explore how salt can be more than just a seasoning. Stay with me as we unveil the surprising truths of salt in a Buddhist context. Salt. It's everywhere, and we hardly give it a second thought. But throughout history, salt has been more than just a seasoning. It has played an important role in spiritual practices across many cultures. From ancient purification rituals to protection from negative energies, salt carries a symbolic weight that is often overlooked. In Buddhist traditions, salt is more than just a mineral. It represents purification, wisdom, and protection. Just as salt preserves food from decay, in Buddhism, it symbolizes the preservation of one's spiritual integrity. But how can we use this everyday item to enhance our spiritual practice? Today, we'll explore the hidden spiritual power of salt, drawing from ancient teachings and modern applications. Let's begin by understanding its significance in Buddhist rituals. In many Buddhist cultures, salt has long been associated with purification. After attending a funeral, it's common for people to sprinkle salt on themselves before entering their home. This is believed to cleanse any lingering negative energies that might have been picked up in the presence of death. But why salt? In the Buddhist worldview, everything in nature has an energetic vibration, and salt, in particular, is considered a purifying element. It has the ability to absorb negative energy and restore balance to a space or a person. In temples, monks might use salt during rituals to prepare the environment for meditation, symbolizing the clearing away of distractions and impurities. Have you ever walked into a room and felt an uneasy, heavy atmosphere? Salt can be used to cleanse this invisible negativity, much like it's used to preserve food from decay. It works not only as a physical purifier, but as a spiritual one, helping us clear the clutter of negative thoughts and emotions from our minds. Buddhism teaches us that the mind is the root of all experience. If the mind is clouded, our entire experience of life becomes clouded. This is where salt comes in as a tool to help us, symbolically and practically, clear the mind and bring us back to a place of clarity and focus. Beyond purification, salt is often used as a protector. This belief stretches beyond Buddhism into many other spiritual practices worldwide. But in Buddhist contexts, salt's protective properties are sometimes linked to its grounding nature, its ability to anchor energy and prevent negative forces from entering our space. In Tibetan Buddhist traditions, salt is sometimes used in rituals that protect against harmful spirits or energies. One well-known practice involves placing salt at doorways or windows to prevent negative influences from entering a home or temple. It's believed that salt creates a barrier that harmful forces cannot cross. This idea connects with one of Buddhism's core teachings, that everything is interconnected. Just as salt preserves food from spoiling, it's believed to preserve the energy of a space from being tainted by negativity. In this way, salt acts as a simple yet powerful tool for protecting our spiritual environment. In modern life, we often forget that our surroundings, whether it's our home, our workspace, or even our social environments, can affect our inner state of mind. By using salt to protect and cleanse these spaces, we invite more peace, clarity, and mindfulness into our daily life. It's about creating an environment that supports our spiritual practice, rather than one that distracts us or drains our energy. Buddhism teaches that suffering often arises from repetitive cycles of negative thoughts, emotions, and actions. But how do we break these cycles? One way, symbolically speaking, is through the mindful use of salt. In Buddhist rituals, salt is sometimes sprinkled over sacred spaces or placed in water to cleanse negativity and dissolve karmic ties. Think about how salt dissolves in water. It disappears, but its essence remains, changing the composition of the water itself. In the same way, Buddhist teachings suggest that we can dissolve our negative habits and thoughts through awareness and mindfulness. Salt becomes a metaphor for this transformative process. A simple yet profound practice is to dissolve a pinch of salt in a bowl of water at the end of a stressful day. As the salt disappears, visualize your worries, frustrations, and negative energy dissolving with it. This small ritual reflects the Buddhist practice of letting go of attachments and allowing space for inner peace and clarity to arise. In a practical sense, when we release the negative energy, we make room for the positive to flow in. Just like when we purify a space with salt, we create a better environment for ourselves to thrive. This practice invites us to connect the material with the spiritual, just as Buddhism encourages us to be mindful in every action we take. Buddhism places great importance on wisdom, understanding the true nature of reality. In a sense, salt's ability to preserve food can be likened to the way wisdom preserves us from suffering caused by ignorance. Just as salt protects food from decay, wisdom protects the mind from being led astray by illusions or distractions. Buddhist philosophy teaches that suffering is caused by our attachment to fleeting pleasures and temporary states. Wisdom allows us to see beyond these fleeting moments and focus on what is truly enduring. In the same way that salt preserves food, wisdom helps us preserve our inner peace even when we're surrounded by chaos. You might be wondering, how can something as simple as salt symbolize wisdom? The answer lies in its simplicity. Like many spiritual teachings, the most powerful lessons often come in simple forms. The act of using salt to purify a space or protect ourselves becomes a reminder of the simple yet profound truth that clarity and peace are within our reach if we approach life with mindfulness and wisdom. So, how can we bring this ancient wisdom about salt into our daily lives? It doesn't have to be complicated. The beauty of Buddhism is that it encourages mindfulness in even the simplest actions. You can incorporate salt into your spiritual practice in many small but meaningful ways. For instance, before starting your meditation, you can sprinkle a small amount of salt around your space, setting an intention for clarity and focus. You might also place a bowl of salt on your desk or in your meditation area as a symbol of protection and purity. Each time you see it, let it serve as a reminder to cleanse your mind of distractions and negative thoughts. Another practice you can try involves using salt water to symbolically wash away negativity. Dissolve a pinch of salt in a bowl of water, and after visualizing your stress or worries dissolving with it, pour the water outside as an offering to release those burdens. Simple practices like these can help anchor us in mindfulness and protect our peace of mind. While salt may seem like an everyday item, it becomes a tool of spiritual transformation when used with intention. In Buddhism, it's not the object itself, but the mindfulness behind it that holds the true power. When we act with awareness, even the smallest rituals can lead to profound insights and shifts in our inner world. So, is salt truly a spiritual weapon? In the Buddhist perspective, the answer is yes, but not in the way you might initially think. Salt doesn't hold mystical powers on its own. Rather, It's a tool that, when used with mindfulness and intention, can help us cleanse, protect, and transform our spiritual path. The next time you see salt, whether on your kitchen table or in a temple, remember its deeper significance. It's more than just a seasoning. It's a reminder of the power of purification, protection, and wisdom. As you walk your path, consider how even the simplest things can hold profound meaning when used with mindfulness. Now, here's something to ponder. How can you use the power of salt, both literally and symbolically, to cleanse your mind and heart in your daily life? If you're curious to learn more about other hidden spiritual tools in Buddhism, make sure to check out the next video on this channel. You won't want to miss it.